Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese Chowmein and corned beef. Yes, Chowmein and corned beef. I will show you guys step by step how to make this delicious meal, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright, this Chowmein and corned beef was so delicious, so you guys really need to try this recipe. Alright, and also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese Chowmein and corned beef. Enjoy! Hey guys, so here's my ingredients for my Chowmein and corned beef. First, we have a pack of Chowmein here, and we have our corned beef, a tin of tomato paste. Over here we have some cut up Wiri pepper, fine leaf thyme, sweet pepper, ginger, grated ginger, grated garlic, onion, and some carrots and 2 chicken cubes. Over here we have some parsley flakes and some Chowmein seasoning. We have a teaspoon of salt. Over here we have some all-purpose seasoning, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, and some paprika. And over here we have our sweet corn. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you do, you're gonna put some water. So the first thing you're gonna do is put some water in the pot to boil, and then you're gonna pour in your salt, and then you're gonna pour in your Chowmein. I just crushed it up. Pour in your Chowmein, and you're gonna stir it, and you're gonna let this boil till it gets soft. We'll be back. Okay, so my Chowmein finished boiling, so I'm gonna strain it out, and we'll be back. So guys, I just put on my pot and I pour about 3 tablespoons of oil inside of it. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna fry up your veggies. So I'm gonna fry up my onion, garlic, thyme, clove, Wiri pepper. I'm gonna fry them up. For about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, we'll be back. So my veggies has been frying up for 3 minutes. So now you're gonna put in your corned beef. Here it is. Put it out, and you're gonna mash it up. Alright, and then you're gonna mix it up into your veggies. And cook it, alright? So my veggies and my corned beef have been frying up for about 5 minutes. What I'm gonna do is turn it. So you're gonna do now, you're gonna put in your 1 tin of tomato paste, and you're gonna flavor it. So you're gonna put in your black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, ginger powder, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, and you're gonna mix up everything together. Alright, mix it up together. So you can also do now is the same tin that I have had the tomato paste in. You're gonna pour a little water in the tin, shake it up, and you're gonna put that amount of water inside of it. All right, and then you're gonna keep stirring it up just like this. I'm gonna taste it. Let me taste it to see. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my 2 cubes. Just crush up it 2 cubes. And also I'm gonna put in my parsley flakes, just the parsley flakes. all right, for now. And you're gonna stir everything up together. All right, and you're gonna cover your pot and let this cook for another 10 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so you're gonna put in one more ingredient, my mustard hot sauce, about a teaspoon, and you're gonna let it continue cooking. It has been cooking for about 7 minutes now. I'm gonna let it cook for about 3 to 4 more minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, our corned beef is finished now. It's finished. So I'm gonna put my chowmein over here, and then I'm gonna pour out the corned beef into the chowmein. And you're gonna mix it up. Alright, we're gonna mix everything up. Just keep mixing it up till the corned beef and all of the chowmein. I'm just gonna keep mixing this. So I finished mixing in the corned beef into the chowmein, so I'm gonna pour in my chowmein seasoning now, and you're gonna mix it up. Mix it up real good. So now I'm gonna plate it, and then I'll let you guys see the end result. I'm also gonna taste it on camera, let you guys see. We'll be back. Okay guys, I forgot one ingredient. I forgot to put in the corn. Alright, so you're gonna put in your corn, and then you're gonna mix up the corn into your chowmein. So now I'm gonna go plate it and let you guys see the end results. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna dish out my chowmein and mince now. And I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm going to taste my chowmein and corned beef on camera now and let you guys see. So here it is here. So I'm gonna taste it now. It's very hot. I'm gonna taste it. Let me just blow it. Wow, this chowmein and corned beef tastes so good. Ooh, gotta take another spoon. Wow, trust me, you guys should really try this recipe. You're gonna love it too. Wow. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up the video, and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright, so I hope everyone is safe and everyone is at home, and share my videos well. Alright, take care and bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese chowmein and corned beef. Yes, chowmein and corned beef. I will show you guys step by step how to make this delicious meal, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright, this chowmein and corned beef was so delicious, so you guys really need to try this recipe. Alright, and also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. Alright, So let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese chow mein and corned beef. Enjoy!